We are here in Edinburgh with Miles Lloyd. The time is 5:30 in the morning.
Oh, what a surprise. You just caught me reading to the children.
Yeah.
Which is one of the things I often do on my days off. Oh, children, how would you like a banana? I don't have a banana, but I have a book that says the word banana.
Banana!
Oh, these people suck. I hope I didn't hit anyone, because that's illegal. I go to jail. Humorous, for fuck's sake, man.
Humorous!
Yes. Laugh at us and tell us we're funny. I'm pretty sure a seagull mocked me then. Got mocked by a seagull. Meh. I think that's on. That's not on.
Edinburgh!